Greetings to all. I am a beloved son, amazing Raja Adin. My aim is to become a military officer. I possess interpersonal international. I thank my parents and teachers motivated me painful activity. Thank you Badarji for. Thank you Principal Ma'am. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yeah, I did it.
Louder, louder.
கொடிகட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் வெட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா வெட்டி கொடிகட்டு மலைகளை முட்டும் வரை முட்டு லட்சியம் வெட்டும் வரை எட்டு படையெடு படையப்பா கை தட்டும் மொழிபட்டு நீ விடும் நெற்றி துளிபட்டு பாறைகள் ரெட்டை பிளவுற்று குடைபடு படையப்பா கை தட்டும் மொழிபட்டு நீ விடும் நெற்றி துளிபட்டு பாறைகள் ரெட்டை பிளவு.
Start dear.
Happy days to all. I am here delayed for Raja Devapriya. I am proud to share skill-based schooling of Acharya. I exported solid snake within 3 minutes, which was ended by our Kavita ma'am. I blessed to thank her. I possess logical and financial intelligence. I also love my other class because it made to understand the math concepts in easier way. Thank you Badaji and Principal Ma'am. Thank you all. Love you all.
Big woo.
Oh yeah, I get it. With all love and happiness, I am your noble Raja Nitishwar. I so glad to be an Acharyan, where I practice to do happy handwriting as a daily routine, which changed in my font style. I thank my Acharya for giving fruitful study technique for our creative learning. My parents felt very happy during my skill project demonstration. I thank Brother G and Principal Ma'am. Thank you all, love you all.
Big
I ready. Liteshwar, 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 Liteshwar.
Here we have responsible Raja Rafan Jain.
Happily, willingly, smilingly, I'm so proud of it. I possess linguistic intelligence. My ambition to become a police officer. I got first prize with my English nation. I got the skill for my sequence board. I thank my parents and teachers for my war schooling in Kalakopa. And I thank my brother and Principal Ma'am. Thank you all, love you all.
Big woo. Rufan, Rufan. Now I invite spectacular Raja Sanjay Raj.
Hi, I am your beloved son, smart Raja Sanjay. I am a proud student of Acharya. I possess interpersonal intelligence. I am glad to share that I am enthusiastic participator to all kinds of competition in our Acharya. I also participated towards outer circle. These kinds of opportunities and skill which I have got for schooling. I really thank my class teacher and Tamil teacher Sangai ma'am for all their effort towards growing our future. I thank my parents for choosing Acharya. I thank my brother G and the principal ma'am. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yeah, I the thing. Sanjay Raj, 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 Sanjay Raj.
Satyamitran.
Hi everyone, I am Sparkling Radha Satyamtran from Mavriya Acharyan family. The value with the inspired like from our yellow book. I will have passion for excellence. I excellent performance in all kind of classroom activity. I possess logical intelligence. I have gained lot more improvement in my math skill with my maths lab activity. I thank my parents and teacher for continuous motivation. Thank you, brother Ji. You are wonderful. You have study technique. Thank you all. Love you all. Wow, yeah, I did it. Satyamitra.
Here comes young Raja Yuvan Arav.
Happy greetings to one and all present here. I am Happy Raja Yuvanarav. I express my sincere thanks to my parents and teachers for being my inspiration in all success. I am an excellent abacus learner. I really thank my happy school for arranging such a wonderful Cambridge course for our communication, which improved my leadership quality. I have participated in Tirukkural competition and I got certificate. Thank you, Brother Ji. Thank you, Principal Ma'am. Thank you all. Love you all.
Big
Oh,
whoop!
yeah,
You won! Next comes delightful Rani Diya.
Is it mic? Hello everyone, I'm Rani Diya. I'm excited to share my amazing experience. I participated in a dance competition in the Arts of Plants in a green bag. It created me a new environment. In a skip project, I performed ambidextrity and blindfold activities, which I'm proud to say accomplished successfully. And thank you, Brother Ji, and our Principal Ma'am. Thank you all. Love you all. Oh yes, I did it. Diya, 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 Diya.
Now I call upon humble Rani Hanika. Start, dear.
Hi everyone, I am Rani Hanika. I am proud to possess body link kinesthetic intelligence. Happily, I would like to share my energetic experience. One of the activities that sparked my curiosity that was a bring from home activity. It encouraged me to explore and learn from the everyday object. I would like to thank my Cambridge for helping me improve my fluency in English. I really thank my parents for choosing this happy schooling, and I thank my class teacher Vijay Shanti ma'am, and a very big thank for our brother G and principal ma'am for giving this happy schooling. Thank you all. Love you all.
Big whoop!
Oh yeah, I did it. Hanika, 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 Hanika.
Here comes joyful Rani Jayasvika.
Hello everyone, I am Rani Jayasvika. My ambition is to become an intellectual IAS officer. I am proud to possess strong interpersonal intelligence skills, and I am excited to share my experience. I reverse order alphabets in our skill projects. I demonstrated excellence in ambidexterity, playing full toss, super speed card and reading card. I thank my class teacher Vijay Shanti ma'am for motivation me and providing opportunity to shine. I have been learning multilingual words which I now use at home and with friends. I am proud to have participated in a taekwondo competition and received a yellow belt. Thank you, master. I thank my parents for supporting my education and encouraging me to think outside the box. I extend my sincere gratitude to our principal Kartika ma'am and brother Ji. Thank you all. Love you all. Oh, yeah, I did it. Jai Shriga, 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 Jai Shriga.
Next comes Joyful Rani Jivika.
Happy greetings to all. I am Rani Jivika. I am proud to possess both music and intelligence. Happily, willingly, and smilingly to share my happy experience. A big improvement in my handwriting. Thanks to the happy handwriting note G. Thanks to their parents for choosing this vast schooling. Thank you all. Love you all. Oh yeah, I did it. Jivika, 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 Jivika,
Next comes Kind Rani Kanishma.
With all love and happiness, I am Rani Kanishma. I am to become a doctor. I am excited to share my vast experience. I listened certificate in the drawing competition. Thank you, drawing sir, and thank you, class teacher Vijay Shanti ma'am and parents. Thank you, brother Ji, and thank you, principal ma'am. Thank you all. Love you all. Oh yeah, I got it. Kanishma, 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 Kanishma.
Now I invite kind-hearted Rani Kirti.
Happily, willingly, and lovingly, with all love and gratitude, I am Rani Kirti, and I am excited to share my experience from this year possessing linguistic intelligence. I have also enjoyed the Rubik's classes where I learned to solve 2 cubes. I thank Kavita ma'am for support and motivation. I am grateful to my parents for choosing this happy schooling, and I thank Radhaji for providing this iconic academic classes. Thank you all. Love you all. I did it. Kirti, 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 Kirti.
Now I invite Rani Lajavanti.
Hello everyone, I am Rani Lajanti and processing musical intelligence. My ambition to become an efficient teacher. I thank my Hindi ma'am for excellent teaching sequence board. I thank my class teacher, Piribal ma'am and brother G. I thank the school for Acharya school for Acharya school. Thank you all. Love you all. Oh yeah, I did it.
Lajavanti.
Lajavanti, 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 Lajavanti.
Next comes lovely Rani Litiksha.
Hello everyone, I am Rani Litiksha and my dream is to become a helpful doctor to everyone. I possess intramuscular intelligence as a huge talent at Acharya. I am grateful to my parents for choosing this schooling. In my skill project, I acquired new skills blindfold, ambidexterity, sequence mode and multilingual speaking activity. I also excelled in the Rubik cube, solving 2 cubes thanks to trainer Kavita ma'am. I have truly enjoyed attending this school. I didn't taking any leaves because I was having such a wonderful time within the school's vibrant environment. I extend my gratitude to my class teacher Vijay Shanti ma'am, principal ma'am and Kartika ma'am and brother G for giving us war study techniques. Thank you all, love you all.
Big
Yes, I did it.
Litishka. Litiksha.
Nakshatra.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up, tired of the way that things have been.
Now I call upon lovable Rani Lakshatra.
Things have been. Oh, ooh. Second
Happy
thing,
day
second.
everyone. I am Rani Lakshatra. I am excited to share my experience as new student at Acharya. I thank my parents for choosing this happy schooling. In our school project, I developed ambidexterity right with both hands. I also enjoyed abacus classes. It improves my math skill faster. Thank you to my class teacher. I happily enjoyed our classroom library, which has helped me develop moral values. I am expressly grateful to Principal Ma'am and Brother G for including the classroom library. It's clearing my daily reading habit. Thank you all, love you all.
Big
Oh yeah, I did it.
என்று என்னடா நீ நேற்று நீ கண்ட
Next
காயம்
comes
யாவும்
majestic Rani Maulika Sri.
With all love and happiness, I am Rani Maulika Sri. Blessed with natural intelligence, my dream is to become an astronaut. Every week, we learn a life skill like kitchen gardening, self-calming, ironing, folding cloth, and maintaining powder. This experience boosted my self-confidence. I am grateful to my teacher Vijay Shanti ma'am and the parents for motivation and support. My sincere gratitude to our brother Ji for introducing encourage week activity. Thank you all, love you all. Whoa, yes, I did this.
Maulika Sri.
Maulika Sri, 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 Maulika Sri.
Now I call upon nice Rani Nanmadi.
Happy greetings to everyone. I am Nani Nanmadi. I am based in Tapasi in the time my appearance to become a talent teacher. This learning experience has been truly enriching me. I participated in the Shrimam State Corporation where I revised the certificate and trophy. I thank my Shrim Master Kavidan sir for his guidance and motivation. We also master multilingual. This skill allowed me to communicate effectively in multi-language. I thank my Hindi teacher G for her motivation and guidance. I am grateful to my mother who has been a pillar of support taught my journey. I thank our principal Kartika ma'am and my brother G for introducing innovative war-shaking techniques that have enriched my learning experience. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yeah, I did it. Nanmadi. Nanmadi,
Nanmadi.
Nanmadi, 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 Nanmadi.
Here comes neat Rani Nanmori.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. I I am Rani Nanmoli. I blessed with linguistic intent. My mission is to become a brave lawyer, fighting for justice. I'm excited to share my experience. I also enjoy the sequence pro activity where I explore multi-language skill and communication skill. I thank our Indiji for motivation. Master Kavita Sensor motivated me to participate in state level learning competition, which boosted my confidence and received a certificate and trophy. I thank my class teacher Vijay Shanti ma'am and guidance and my mother's support, excellent motivation, guidance have helped me grow higher. My hair fell thanks to our principal Kartika ma'am and MDG for introducing wow study techniques, making learning an exciting experience. Thank you all, love you all. Oh yeah, I did it.
Now I call upon vibrant Rani Varnita.
Hello everyone, I am Rani Varnita. I am excited to share my wonderful experience. Our Rise and Shine activity conducted during morning assembly has significantly boosted my self-confidence during our daily section. We practiced some Kriya, that cleansing exercise, refresh my internal organs and feel fresh every day. I am grateful to my class teacher Vijay Shanti ma'am for providing this opportunity. My heartfelt thanks to our brother Ji and our principal Kartika ma'am for teaching this Rise and Shine activity. Thank you all of you all. Oh yeah, I get it.
Varnita.
It's time to give it to back.